Well, I did the quick weave and it was cute for a minute, but after a week it was time for me to take it out. So I went ahead and got some of my trusty serum. I'll leave the serum that I'm using in the description box below or somewhere on the screen, somewhere. And once I put this serum on, I'm not working it into the scalp, but into the weft. It's really important that you use a serum and not an oil, because a serum has way smaller particles, so it's not gonna block the follicle, and it'll be way easier for me to remove all of the serum from my scalp as soon as I get done removing these wefts. Now, if you want to see how the quick weave was put in the first place, then make sure you check the links in the description box below. But everything is pretty self-explanatory. Once you spray, once you put the serum on, let the serum sit for a second. Do not pull at all. I'm not using any tension, even if it looks like it. I'm not pulling anything until the weft is ready to come up. All right, so anywhere that it looks like it's glued to my scalp, it's not glued to my scalp. There is a cap there. All right, so make sure you keep watching all the way to the end, but just know it is way easier for you to remove glue with an oil base than it is for you to use water, because once you add water, the hydrogen bond breaks and then your hair mats up together, and it's not gonna be that cute. So as I am moving along, I am taking my time and letting it sit, and I'm not going to lift anything up until things start to loosen up. Now, I will say that if I would have let this stay in for like 2 to 3 weeks, it would have been a lot easier for me to remove it, but I just couldn't do it. So remember, these videos that you guys are watching are a couple of months behind. We're almost catching up, you guys, but stay tuned. Just keep watching. I promise. Don't leave. So I look dusty right now. Mind your business, because I'm so freaking excited. I just ordered my tea. Like I have my own herbal brand now. I made it, mama. I told you I was gonna do it, mama, and I didn't. I'm gonna be cute. So now I'm eating some food and healing my body, and listen, Swiss chard is everything. And when you look at Swiss chard, especially rainbow Swiss chard, it looks like it's from another planet. Look at it. Look at the medicine. Literally, the little colors, this right there, you can tell. Don't it look like medicine from another planet? Oh yes, I just love rainbow Swiss chard so much. Listen, it is an excellent source of vitamin K and vitamin C and magnesium, which is so freaking amazing for me. And it's great and packed with antioxidants, which is really great for anybody who deals with inflammation. Chard contains 3 times the recommended daily intake of vitamin K and over 44% of the recommended amount of vitamin A. Chard is packed full of antioxidants, which is why I love it so much, because it has really amazing anti-inflammatory properties, which is something that somebody who deals with HS needs. So having a salad packed full of spinach and rainbow Swiss chard with a couple of vegetables, it really cleanses everything. Don't let nobody touch his camera. I'm not gonna lie, like everything in me, I just want to like just braid my hair real quick because it's only been about a week. But at the same time, like my scalp is itching and I know it's only gonna get worse. I understand how you feel when you don't want to wash it, but I'm telling you, it's this moment right here where you know you're supposed to wash it, but you really don't feel like it, that you put some product on it to just stop the itching just a little bit. Don't do it. Just wash your hair. So this is not a sophisticated shampoo. As you can see, this is not gonna work because the sun is right here and I'm about to shampoo my hair in the sink. I mean, this is hair cover on this bottle. I'm just about to braid my hair. I'm just so freaking excited about where my hair is right now. It's a density. It's the density, the volume. What is the right now I'm going to go ahead and braid it. Normally I have my hair out in the winter and braid it up in the summer, but this time I decided to do something different. I'm just feeling like being in my hair less and just focusing on my content, but it's like I can't get content done if I'm always in my head. So I'm just going to basically have a routine of braiding my hair, shampooing my hair, and blow drying it out and braiding it every week. So my original intention, and I'm gonna try to brighten this up because it looks dark. My intention is to start off my intention.
an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl. Old school girl, old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like left, right, oh, 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 oh. Bonnie and Clyde. You can have whatever you like when it's you and I. We can have the world. See us coming like left, right, oh. Are you the same?
Some people probably won't want to hear this, especially as I do a wig, but most women try to treat their natural hair the way that you treat wigs, and it's not the same.